everyone, how are you doing? This is a short video on Centrelink benefits. A lot of people are getting money from Centrelink. Some people are students, some are not working, some have just left the job. So Centrelink is giving payments to Australians for a lot of reasons. Some are aged pension, some are widowed, some are single parents. So there are a lot of payments which Centrelink or Department of Human Resources give to Australians. If you want to find out which of the payment is taxable and which is tax free, just see this video carefully. We will list in the next screen which are taxable and which are tax free. As you can see in the screen, some payments are taxable. So if you are receiving payment from Centrelink, do not assume that they are tax free. This is the problem. When Centrelink gives payment, people think, oh, it is from Centrelink, it is not from work, so I don't have to declare it. No, you have to declare some income. Some are tax free. You do not have to declare some income. So which are taxable? As you can see on the screen, there is a big list: new start allowance, or study allowance, sickness, parenting payment, widow payment, aged pension, youth allowance. So basically, if which payment are taxable? If you are old, you're getting age pension, that is taxable. If you are a young person, just join uni and you're getting some money, youth allowance or study allowance, that is taxable. Or if you have just left the job or your employment was terminated and Centrelink is giving you some payment to help you, then that payment is also taxable. So these payments are taxable. These payments have to be reported in your tax return. It will be automatically coming in your ATO tax office pre-fill report, but you need to make sure that these are included in your tax return. Now let us see which payments are tax free. As you can see, some payments are tax free. Which payments are tax free? Family tax benefit. What is family tax benefit? When you have a family, you have kids here, and your partner's income is quite less. Normally it's around 100,000 or less. Then you get some family tax benefit. You get family tax benefit part A and part B, that is tax free. You do not have to include in your tax return. Similarly, rental assistance. Similarly, you see a lot of payments, education entry supplement, child care benefit. If you have kids and you are dropping to child care, the benefit you are getting from there, that is also tax free. You do not have to include in your tax return. Okay, so some payments are tax free. You do not have to worry, which are basically mentioned in this list. So what is tip of the day? The tip of the day is, if you are getting money from Centrelink, you need to ask Centrelink whether it is taxable or not, so that you can do your proper tax planning. If they are not able to tell you, you can search online, or you can call your accountant and ask, or you can call ATO. They can tell you whether that payment is taxable or not. If it is taxable, you might have to pay some tax at the end of the year. Do not assume that all payments from Centrelink are tax free. No, that is not correct. Only few payments are tax free. If you got any question about Centrelink, whether you are eligible for some payment or not, accountant cannot decide, tax office cannot decide, only Centrelink can decide. Right? So Centrelink will give you payment and ATO will tax you if that income is taxable. Simple logic. ATO will not going to pay you anything if you are not working. It is a Centrelink or Department of Human Resources who are going to pay you if you are eligible for that. Okay. Thanks for watching. These were very short points. Just to clarify, some payments are taxable from Centrelink income and some payments are tax free. The myth is that all payments from Centrelink, they are tax free. We don't have to include it. That is incorrect. some payments are taxable. If you do not include that in your tax return, tax office will add that income by itself, maybe immediately, maybe after 2 years, but ultimately you have to pay tax on that. You cannot run away. Okay, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.